Today we're going to talk about sling inspection. Lifting and rigging is a vital common work task in what we do. Slings are devices that we use to lift and move items mechanically, use them in connection with our crane. At times, they can be put under great stress, which can lead to damage. Now, what we're going to talk about today identifies some common sling failures and covers best practice when inspecting these devices to ensure a safe working experience. Some of the common sling failures are that slings can break apart when they're overloaded. Slings can stretch and fray over time. Slings that are exposed to cutting and grinding, along with welding splatter, can become burned and compromised. Slings that are exposed to chemicals can deteriorate. Slings that are constantly wet or left in direct sunlight for extended periods can rot and disintegrate. So, with regard to sling inspection, what are some of the best practices? Well, slings should be inspected for burn marks and unraveled threads. When inspecting slings, if red nylon fibers are visible, the sling should be removed from service. Slings that are discolored and stiff should be removed from service, as that can is an indicator of chemical exposure. And then slings that are rigid and unable to move freely show signs of excessive UV exposure. Now, threads that frayed and rotted are frayed and rotted indicate the sling should be removed from service as well. Slings that are missing tags, complete with loading capacity, are no longer compliant and they shouldn't be used in the workplace either. Slings should be inspected before use. Inspection should occur throughout the workday if the sling is being used over and over. And then slings should also be inspected monthly and annually as part of a comprehensive safety inspection process. So, in summary, inspecting slings is a best practice that allows employees to identify possible issues with the sling prior to use. If issues are identified, it's vital to stop work and get a functional sling for the work task at hand. A simple inspection may make all the difference in preventing property loss or injury.